ew? Why is it ew? Bubba, it's all over your hands and the floor. Bubba! Izzy's Toy Time! Welcome to our construction site. Today we have some goo. Yeah.
That truck. Dump truck. Mixers. Forward. Forklift. Bulldozers.
Look at all of our bulldozers. Hey, Rubble.
Cranes. Excavator.
And this is our construction site. We always do the finger test. Yep. That's a perfect spot. He's happy. Give him a nose. Oh, he's cringing. And oh, we're gonna squish his face. Oh, and his face is squished. Goo going into dump truck number 1. He's the biggest one we have here. Zed, what are you doing here? I'm the construction site manager.
Wow.
Doing a good job there, man. Doing a good job there. Excavators, bring on in the excavators.
Yeah.
Excavator dig. Good job, man. We need bulldozers. Bring in the bulldozers. Yeah, that'll work. Bulldoze. Cement mixers, it's your turn. Good job, buddy. Good job. You're doing a very good job. Yeah. All right. Looks like we have a race between mixer one. Your turn to hold the camera. Good job, honey. Okay, who's gonna win? Mixer or crane? Hi, Bubba, you did a good job. Oh. Who's gonna win? Is it gonna be the mixer or the tow truck? I think the mixer. Oh, the crane won. Good shooting, Bubba. Who's gonna win? All right, Zed, count it down. 3, 1. Forklift wants to come and get some out. Here, I can take it. Oh yeah, Forklift wants to play. All right, Mommy's gonna make a ball. This is gonna be a wrecking ball. Okay, I don't make wrecking balls as good as Daddy does, but it's ready. Who's coming? Hey, it's Rebel.
There's a wall.
Whoa, he is just getting in there. Hey, he's making a face. Well, there goes his face. He's stuck. He needs help. Crane, can you help me? All right, thanks, Crane. We got him out. Good job. You hooked him. Rubble, we need you. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Got it. Where do you want it, ma'am? Over here. There, Craig. Beep. Oh, man, are you okay? You fell. Please don't tell on us. I'm fine. I'll just go back and get in. Thanks, guys. I'm good. Thanks, guys. Oh, man, you fell again. Is he okay?
Yeah.
All right, we need this cone filled. You can do it that way, too. Hey, that's cool. Gonna make little cone things. Look. Looks like little eyeballs. Look at it. Nice work, dude. Zed, you're in a very bad spot, man. We told you to be careful with the construction site. Help me! What are you doing? We need somebody to dig him out. Who's gonna dig him out?
It stays in the purple goo.
That's cold-blooded, Bubba. He's gonna stay in the purple goo? Cold-blooded, man. All we see are his feet. I'm gonna hide Zed somewhere. And I'm not gonna tell you where, okay? You close your eyes. Okay, hold on, let me see where I can find. Nope, keep them closed. What, you're not supposed to look? Okay, close your eyes. I have to find where to hide them. Don't peek. Don't cheat. Okay, where is he? Look around. Where is Zed? You found him! Close your eyes. Don't cheat. No, I see you cheating. Don't cheat. Close your eyes. Okay, where is it? You fell for it. Where is it? Not there. Keep looking. Where is that? You found him. Hey, our vacuuming truck?
Go over here and go down.
Oh, you can drop it like that. Okay.
No, that one.
Okay.
Up,
And then that one goes down. That.
up, and down.
Hey! What's this, Bubba? Oh, look.
Go up. Go round and around. Like this, it goes down.
Oh. All right, let's pick them up. Up. Slide them over. Yeah, 1, 2. Oh no! What is going on over here? You can't drop logs like that. Sorry, man. Hey, that's our forklift. Here it goes. Hey! Hey! Cool. Oh, down she goes. Up she goes. What are you doing?
I'm taking the forklift they take.
Oh, cool.
Dump it.
Bubba, not on the carpet. Did you get it on the Bubba, that's all you? Get the vacuum cleaner, buddy.
It's over there.
What's it doing over here? Okay, come on, let's go. Take the vacuum cleaner.
It's over here.
Yep, all right, clean it up. Thank you, sir. Get it good. Get it good.
The football it goes in.
It's just gonna go in the car, baby. Just dig it in. Get the other side. Clean it good. Get the little spots. Get them all. Clean up. Get set. Ah! Well, we thoroughly had a good time here. Hope you did too. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.